You may be seeking an investment manager if your charity is new to investing, if upon review you've decided that you're unsatisfied with your current investment manager's performance, or if your charity runs a formal re-tendering process on a regular basis. Whatever your situation, finding the most appropriate investment manager and clearly documenting that process can be a challenge. There are over 50 discretionary investment management firms in the UK with charity specialist teams and many more fund and advisory options. Charity Commission says that in finding an investment manager, trustees must satisfy themselves that that manager can perform in line with their investment policy and objectives. It also states that you should consider how the services offered by a range of managers meet those needs and then compare them in terms of level of service, investment approach and cost. It's therefore important as a charity trustee that you ensure a thorough investment manager selection process. So what should trustees consider? Firstly, how many managers to consider and how to narrow that down. You'll then need to clarify your process for comparing managers on a level playing field. This may mean that as well as performance and how they align to your charity's needs, you look at their investment approach and whether you're getting the best fees possible with that manager. If you need support selecting your investment manager, to get peace of mind that a rigorous process has been followed and an appropriate investment solution implemented, we can help. Get in touch with our investment consultancy experts and we'd be happy to guide you.